Hey guys, what's up? Sledging Vlogs here. If you didn't notice, I'm not actually at my house. I'm in my grandparents' apartment in Syracuse because my parents left on vacation, so I'm staying the break with my grandparents in Syracuse. So anyway, today in this video, what I want to do is, here's our garage. Oh wait, it's locked. Crap. So what I want to do is take a Pepsi and make sure to like shake it up, and then like hit it with something hard, so it kind of pops and sprays everywhere. I've always really wanted to do this, but I've never gotten a chance. And now that I can, I just want to do it on camera, just because I can. But yeah, I just want to see how this turns out. Hopefully it's cool. There, my Pepsi. Let's go. Let's go. We don't want to do it right here because we're just afraid someone might get mad at us for like making a mess. So we're gonna go up there. Here's my. We're gonna go up there. Yeah. There's their apartment. It's giant. See that balcony in the middle? That's ours.
That's ours?
Are you guys ready?
That's our balcony in the middle?
Come on, guys. Let's just go up a little bit farther. We'll be good there. So who wants to film me?
I'll do it.
Actually, you know what? I'm not going to hit it. I'm just going to shake it up and throw it on the ground. Just so it explodes.
You don't want to stamp
I didn't... What?
You don't want to stamp on it?
No, I'm not going to stomp on it. I wanted to stomp on it too. I just don't feel like doing that anymore. I just don't want it to not work, because that would be not good. So yeah, I'm just going to shake it, and then throw it on the ground. I just want to... biggest explosion as I can get. So we're about to enter some kind of parking lot. I can't give you a good angle. There we go. And yeah, just like here, right up here. That's where we're gonna do it. We got a nice deserted area over here too. Got some shopping carts. Yeah. Let's go. If I could, I would have used Diet Coke, but this Pepsi was all that we really had. But it'll do for now. Hopefully, I can do this sometime in the future with like a 2-liter, because that would be awesome. I just hope this works.
Do it again.
That felt. Loosen the top a little bit.
Just a touch. It's gonna go all over you.
Watch out.
Just a touch.
Okay. It's gonna like come right back at me. I know it.
Oh.
Yeah! There we go.
Keep getting it.
That's how we do it.
Keep getting the fizz.
Do it again.
You can take a sip if you want.
Boom! That's how you do it.
Why,
Yes!
why just spit it out?
Because I can. That was awesome.
Go.
Oh my god, look, there's some shopping carts over here. I have an idea.
Come back now. Come back. Come up by the store.
Yeah.
Well, this sucks. I just lost my fidget spinner. I got it today. You know what? I'm just going to go look for it. Where is it? I see it. I got it. Yes! Still. Still got it. I actually got this fidget spinner for Easter. And by the way, happy Easter, guys. been really fun. I really hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to try to do something else when I go get back to the apartment, but I don't know what to do yet. But, yeah, anyways, happy Easter, guys. You know what? I'm going to take some Pepsis to go. Let's take the front. Let's take the front entrance. This is just
Hello, peoples.
I want some pie. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. And even though I said I was going to do something when I got home, I just never ended up doing it, just because I just didn't know what to do. But I got a freeze pop instead. So yes, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.